Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Wix Bookings to your Wix website step by step. If you offer appointments, consultations, classes, or other services, Wix Bookings allows your visitors to schedule and manage bookings directly through your website. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix account and open the website where you want to add Wix Bookings. Once you're inside the Wix editor, look at the left-hand menu and click on App Market. This is where you can install additional apps and features for your website. Next, use the search bar at the top of the App Market and type in Wix Bookings. When the official Wix Bookings app appears in the search results, click on it to open the app page. You'll now see information about the app and its features. To continue, click the Add to Site button. Wait a few moments while Wix installs the app and adds the required booking pages to your website. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice that Wix Bookings has been added to your site. A new booking section will also become available in your website dashboard. Now, open the booking section and click on Services. Here, click Add New Service and choose the type of service you want to offer. Enter the service name, description, duration, pricing, and any additional information your clients need to know before booking. After that, click on Business Info or Booking Settings and configure your working hours. Select the days and times when you're available to accept appointments. Next, open the Payment Settings section and connect your preferred payment method if you want customers to pay online when booking. Finally, click Publish to make your booking system available to visitors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.